Hi there, I'm Techie Girl, and today I'm going to share one important tip with you if you are working on your brand colors and fonts and you really need perfect colors and font for your website so that you can impress your clients or the website visitors. Then here's my number one tip. Whenever you are thinking about colors and fonts, make sure you have considered your ideal client or the target audience. How you will consider them? Just create two avatars, two imaginary people you really want to work with them. Then write about every characteristics you can think of, like their name, give them imaginary name. Think about their age, like, dislike, what are the pain points, what are they looking for, where do they live, everything. Now think from this perspective, the person, your ideal client, if you are a health coach or life coach and the person who is your ideal client is suffering from anxiety, panic attacks or stress, what kind of colors they would really hate to see, because they want some soothing peaceful things to see. So make sure you have two different boxes, make two blocks on your page, and write this colors they don't like to see, colors they would love to see. And now you will see you have already created a segregation between the colors you will really would not consider for your brand and the colors you would like to see. Now once you have filtered out what your really ideal client would like to see on your website, also think about the font they would like to see. They won't the person suffering from anxiety stress, they won't like sharp edges font. They would like rounded, soft, smooth letters, simple letters, not so curvy script font. So try to keep the things readable and simple for the font perspective. This is one example so you can think of. And then the two box that you have created, just put think the colors they won't like, colors they will like in another box, fonts they would hate. As a coach, life coach or the health coach, you must know what they will like or hate and what's good for them, so you can make a difference. Now you have a set of colors and the fonts. Now the second step that you will take is think about the inspiration, what inspire your business. I mean, like, how do you want them to feel when they come to your site? If if you are a health coach and you are a person who is very simple, compassionate, you want them to come and feel very happy, peaceful. Maybe you can go with the, if you are really working on the side of nutrition or health coach kind of thing, you might like to keep the things green. But if you are a coach, like life coach, who is helping them with the anxiety and stress issues, maybe you would like to keep the site like very minimal colors, like the pastel colors. Keep it very simple. Or maybe you will try to keep the blue like as a main color, because blue is for the peace, trust, lot of white spaces. So you have to create the consider these factors, like how do you want them to feel on your side and what inspire your business. So combine your personal interest and your client interest, and then you finally come up with nice colors and fonts. Always remember that this site, the website, is more about them and lesser about you. They are the hero, and you have to help them. You have to show them that you have got everything that they would love since beginning from the website. So this is a very simple step that I love, and this is very quick. So you don't need even if you are just starting out or thinking to rebrand and you are not on a budget to hire somebody, you can actually use this trick to come up with the best colors your clients will really love. And as a bonus tip, I would like to say that you can go to Pinterest and create an inspiration board where you gonna search for different kind of brand keywords like related to your brand, and see what kind of palettes are already there, the mood boards. And then you can see the group of colors that you've already finalized, like selected. I mean, these are the colors that your client would love, your inspiration. Now see the Pinterest board and you can easily define, oh, this is what I'm gonna go, this is gonna really look nice, because the mood boards are already there in the Pinterest. You can go and take an idea like how it will look when they are all combined. And I think this is how you can come up with a nice, perfect fonts and the colors for your brand when you are just starting out. Otherwise, you can anytime you can hire an expert who will guide you with all these steps, and they're gonna do it for you. So you can contact us as well. We do branding for our clients, like if you want luxury branding, if you want any type of branding like minimal, health coach, we have worked with the career coaches. So just let us know. We are just a DM away. Bye bye. And if you have any question, don't forget to put it there in the comments or DM me anytime. Bye bye.